Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can integrate LinkedIn with Zapier, right? So the first step is, as usual, we're going to go to create and we're going to create the new SAP in here. Now, the first trigger is actually going to be something that we want to do periodically. So maybe it's going to be a scheduling option, schedule. And let's choose this to be, I don't know, every day, every hour, every month, every week. Let's do this every week, for example, right? And now we just continue day of the week. We can say, I don't know, Friday, and time of the day we can do 12 a.m. Now we can just continue, and we have to select now an action. Now, for actions, there's very different things that you can do. Okay, so let's say that I want to post something in LinkedIn every single week that is going to remind, I don't know, my followers or my friends how important it is to work hard. Okay, and that's going to be a message that I want to change every single week. So what I would do in this case is I would connect this with ChatGPT, for example, so I can generate messages that speak about this. Okay, so action event in this particular case it would be send prompt. Okay, and I have my account here which I sign into, and I'm just going to use the default model because it's the cheapest, but you can use, of course, any other one you like, actually. And now, the prompt is going to be create an engaging LinkedIn message that reminds my followers how important it is to work hard consistently and not give up. Make my message engaging, fun, and personal. And I would just, modify this axis here, which is the temperature, the maximum length, which in this case, I don't know, I want to keep it under 240 characters. And that's pretty much it. And now we have to send it to LinkedIn, right? So we're going to add a third step, which is going to be LinkedIn. And we have it here. And the action event is going to be create, share, update. Okay. And we can just connect our account. And after we're happy with this, we can just continue. Okay. So this is it pretty much. Thank you very much.